morning. In the it's Nick Ocean here. Morning walk Sunday. Taking it a bit easy this morning. Yeah. A few reasons why, probably. So in the last conversation, we talked about the Google project, the Lamda sentient AI that, in the opinion of the engineers, can feel. Therefore, it knows it exists. And I guess we are into the realms of artificial general intelligence and, the end of civilization as we know it. And, the paperclip model. When does it know where to stop? Does they perceive humans as a threat? And if we get caught between what the AI wants and what it's being programmed as the objective, then, is the objective to stay alive? And do they see humans as a threat? There you have it, really. Forget World War III. That's the big threat, really. But let's just touch on other progress in AI, really. I mean, I'm doing quite a lot with people in both fields, which is AI in terms of, probabilistic computing, which is collecting and analysing of data and developing a range of different algorithms, both learning as well as, deep learning and machine learning, all kinds of different derivations, which is really the difference being is what do you want to do with the data once it's cleansed, organised, what have you. And typically speaking, in that world, you sort of have an idea what you're looking for, and really you're testing, analysing ranges or outputs within those ranges, which is interesting, but not as interesting as non-probabilistic computing, where you don't know what you're looking for, which I think is, humanity really, we don't know what we're looking for. And if you go on Google and you don't know what you're looking for, you're buggered, aren't you, really? It's a form you fill in. So then you get into the world of neural networks, of course, and excuse me, and it's very, very good at finding, the things on the edge, the things that are uncorrelated, the things that you didn't know you were looking for, and that whole new world is very interesting. And in fact, I've been working on a biotech project where, in blood focus, really blood plasma and what have you, we're using a convolutional neural network, and mainly that's optically driven. So in other words, it's sort of image picture optics based. So you're working at the microscopic level, of course. So you've got electron microscopes taking a view of a blood sample, having had some staining or enzymes dropped into it, and it creates a response, and they then match that against an enormous database, and it can tell what state your immune system's in. Very useful on the fly, or if you're undergoing treatment for cancer, you need to know on a regular basis. So neural networks for me is it's a bit like quantum. Quantum require high performance computers alongside. Well, I think to get the best out of AI and the best out of neural networks, they need each other in parallel. Massively exciting for me. That's I've got big hopes of this area delivering what we need. Talk soon.